Hello everyone, this is my intro to the Civil War. This would be a lesson that I would give before I gave the lesson about the Civil War, just to give them a little bit of background information before we started the lesson. So I found this video on YouTube. This video I think is about a 10 to 12 minute video. It's a crash course video. I love these videos. I think that they are very informative but also very interesting for the students to watch. And then I used the Poll Everywhere website to create questions for the students, and you can click on the link. Two of them actually pertain to the video, so that I know that they actually watched the video, or two of them are kind of answers that are in the video but they could know without watching the video. But two of the questions, they actually have to watch the video to know the answer because they go right with the video. And I have 4 questions in total, and then I have this ending slide so that I know when they are finished after they put their phone or the laptop away. And we will start the lesson when I have seen that everyone has finished their warm-up activity. This would also be something that would help to get the class ready to learn and to get them into the learning mood. I think that it's a very great way to start off a day for the students, and that's everything.